in the upper limb, not so important like the parts before, but we will say it. We say it before. We will repeat, okay? This is the 8 bones of the carpal bones, forming the carpal bones. It is divided into 2 rows. Salwa, yeah, you remember, okay? Salwa, scaphoid. Ligament and triquetrum. Scaphoid, leonine, triquetrum, and this is the basiform, lies above the triquetrum, okay? The second row contains trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, lamina. The joints between the carpal bones itself is called what? Intercarpal joints here. For example, between these 2 bones, it is called the intercarpal. It's called what? Intercarpal, okay? But the joint here, in this part, is what? Wrist joint. But the wrist joint articulates with what? With scaphoid and the lunate. Scaphoid and the lunate, while the remaining bones are separated from the ulna by the articular disc, okay? After that, we have these 5 bones, which are metacarpal bone. This is the sum. So this is the first metacarpal, second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth, okay? The joints between the carpal and the metacarpal here is called carpo-metacarpal joints. Carpo-metacarpal joints, okay? After that, we have the fingers. The fingers contains the phalanges. The joints between the phalanges are called what? Interphalangeal joint. I may ask you in the exam, very rare, but I can ask. I will put a mark here, for example. Identify this joint. Proximal interphalangeal joint, not only like this, of index. If I enter to the fingers, you must say the name of the finger. This is the proximal interphalangeal joint of the index. This is the distal interphalangeal joint of the ring finger. Okay, for example, okay? This is the interphalangeal joint of the thumb, not proximal or distal. It's only one joint here, okay? What is the name of the joints here? Metacarpophalangeal joint. Metacarpophalangeal joints, okay? What is the types of these joints? Metacarpophalangeal joints. What is the types of movements produced on the metacarpophalangeal joints? Something like this. Flexion, extension, okay? Flexion and extension. I can also produce abduction and abduction here, okay? So this is biaxial, so it is called what?
Ellipsoid?
Ellipsoid synovium. But for the interphalangeal joint, only 2 movements are produced in each finger. Flexion, extension. So it is uniaxial, so it is what? Hinge synovium, okay? This is the right hand or left hand? Right hand. This is the right hand, okay? Okay, this is the bones of the upper limb. After that, we will look to some models of the upper limb. Some models of the upper limb.